Whatever. I went down to the beach and saw Kiki. She was all like, and I'm like, whatever.
Hello YouTube, and
Whatever.
this is my battle rifle. Last time I showed you my sniper rifle,
Dude, I'm like, yeah, whatever.
and you know, I kind of decided to make a battle rifle, sort of.
So later,
As you can see, I've added my own little
and this girl comes
attachments.
up, she's all like, and I'm like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, the scope, different ACOG, red dot sight, added those for the belt to go around you, trigger, a little push thing. It's not slidables. The cock is just for show. Has a little thing on it. Barrel's pretty cool. I like the barrel. It's kind of heavy, you know, give that realistic touch. It sort of came out sort of like how I wanted it to come out. It's not exact, but you know, it's good enough for me. And I personalized the battle rifle. Didn't want to make it just like Halo. I wanted to make it to my liking, sort of, so I didn't do it all the same. Yeah, that's my battle rifle. Thanks.
If I offend, I'm sorry. Please forgive, for I am Triumph, the puppet dog. I am a mere puppet. I can get away with anything I say, and you will love it. The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go doing, doing, doing. Just like a Simpson, looks so tempting. Nick, I ain't never seen a ass like that. Every time I see that show on MTV, my PB goes doing.